Hi everyone! Okay, I'm gonna wait for you guys to all come in before I... Oh, that's a cute filter. What filter should I use today? Hello! I like this. This is very old school. Okay, hi guys. So I am live right now because hi everyone. Because I am going to be joined by Soleil today, and she's gonna teach all of us how to paint, or how to draw, at least in my case, because I can't draw. But I'm still looking for a filter that I want to use today. What shall I use? Ay, this is nakaka-fresh. I like this. Okay, hi everyone. So before we start, and before I invite her in, I want you guys to prepare the art materials that you want to use for our IG live, and I'm gonna show you what I prepared. Let me show you. So I've got a plastic cup with water. I don't know what this is called. I've got my colored pencils, my paint brushes. This is all care of Danny. Today I want to make a little folder for my quarantine pass. So I brought out envelopes, scissors, pencils, and Celine actually sent me a photo that we can kind of copy from. So this is our peg today, guys. So go ahead and keep your phones turned on and run and grab your artwork, art materials, guys, like your paper and everything you need, paint, crayons, what else, pencils, paper, scratch paper would be ideal also. So there, I'll wait for you guys. I'm gonna check if Soleil is ready. Okay. Draw Harry Styles' outfit. Oh my god, I would love that. Hi, Nathan! My friend Nathan is online today. Join us today if you're not busy, Nathan. We're gonna attempt to draw and paint fruits today. I think it's perfect because we live in the Philippines. We're a tropical country and we have a lot of nice, delicious tropical produce. So, I'm gonna set you up here. I have a little phone holder that I got as a gift a while back. So I'm wearing my favorite color today, yellow. Hello. Okay. Hi. I think I can still do my shout outs right now. I actually want this to be as interactive as possible. So please join in. We will answer all your art related and quarantine related questions as much as we can. So we're gonna have a pro with us today because I'm not a pro at drawing, as you all know. So yeah, Talia will join us in a bit. Actually, let me check if she's already here. I don't know where I'll find her. I am a noob! Hi, belovers! I'm happy you guys are here. Join me today. So, kamusta naman kayong lahat during this quarantine? I hope everyone's still okay and you're all finding nice activities to keep yourselves busy. Let us find Soleil. And I have a huge pimple right there. Go live with. Oh, there she is. We are gonna start in a bit. I have a mango right there. Pwede ko siyang guide. Hi, babe. How are you?
Hello, good.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Soleil. I'm an illustrator and yeah, excited to paint with everyone today. And Bella.
Yes, I am super excited.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give a quick background. So Soleil is like, um, feeling ko your IG. Goals ko yung IG mo eh. Your illustrations are amazing. So I stalked you. TikTok talaga. I stalk you and I love that workout illustration you did for Vogue Japan. That was
Oh,
amazing. Ang
thank
galing.
you.
So,
You.
Sulay, ano lang ha, abiso lang, noob levels ako. So, I don't know how to draw.
Ano, nag-paint ka na before?
Nagpaint ako for fun, for my best friend's daughter. But I looked for pegs kasi on Pinterest. So, medyo kinopy ko sa Pinterest to. Yan, ito yun.
Love it.
Pero feeling ko, mali-mali siya kasi parang unang-una mali yung canvas na ginamit ko for what do you call it? Watercolor. So, medyo nahirapan akong patuyuin siya. So, today, sisimplehan ko lang. Papel lang ako today.
And also, pwede rin kitang like, what do you call this? Parang, turo ko sa'yo kung ano yung kinds of paints. So, merong acrylic, watercolor, ganyan. And so, para yung followers rin natin, malaman nila yung paints na yun.
That is so
Yeah.
perfect. So, I am gonna grab my pencil. I have a question today. What have you been doing this quarantine? Nakakailang weeks na ba tayo ng quarantine? 5 weeks na, no? Parang
5
4
weeks.
years na, no?
Oh my God. Napanood na parang nood ng mga series. Naubusan na ata ako ng mapapanood.
Actually, ako din. Masyado na ako maraming napanood na series this quarantine. So, I'm
Diba?
trying to be more active. Kasi I noticed, pag nakahiga lang ako the whole day watching series, I tend to get sad. Not naman sad, pero yung parang yung body mo, pagod na pagod after kahit wala kang ginawa. So, right
Yeah,
now,
so-
and we know, like, we both know naman, like, that's the worst thing you can do to yourself right now. So, we all have to keep our immunity up during these times. Dahil nga may pandemic na nangyayari
Yeah.
ngayon.
So, tapos parang nakaka-guilty pag parati ka lang nakahiga, nanonood. Parang,
Exactly.
I need to do something productive.
Exactly. So, have you been drawing a lot during this this quarantine?
So, for the first month, sobrang wala akong ginagawa at all. Kasi hindi ako inspired to do anything. Parang hindi ko feel talaga mag-draw, mag-paint, or anything. As in, social media, nood ng movies, series, puro ganun lang. And then breakdown, tapos social media ulit.
Hindi pa ako maabot sa breakdown. Baka next week ko pa i-try yan.
And then,
But that's so nice. At least,
yeah, medyo na-inspire na ulit ako to draw. As in, like, literally, last week lang ata ako ulit nag-start mag-draw or mag-paint ulit. Like, do something creative. Yeah.
exactly. So, yeah. So,
Yeah.
I'm super excited to learn from you today.
Yes.
May
Yeah.
mga nagko-comment. I'm going to read a bit while we kind of prepare. Hello, Ate Ara. Meron nagsulat, sana all may pang-paint. Actually, hindi naman kailangan na paint yung gamitin natin today. Whatever material you have at home, I think we can use that. Actually, medyo recycled materials yung ibang gagamitin ko. Like, itong mga envelope na to, pinapadala lang, yung mga scripts, pag pinapadalan kami sa bahay ng scripts, hindi ko tinatapon yung envelope kasi I always feel like magagamit pa siya later on. Baka hoarder din ako, we don't know. But yeah, I'm going to use this today. This is what I want to paint. So there, I am excited to start painting and let me know how we will begin.
Sige. I guess, ano na rin, like, kung ano yung mga kailangan. Pakita ko ako ano yung mga gagamitin na materials. Wait lang. So, for me, I'm gonna use gouache today. Yung gouache, para siyang poster. So, we have four major kinds of paint, I guess. So, we have watercolor, gouache, or poster paint, acrylic paint, and also oil paint. So, for today, I'll use gouache kasi for me, madali siyang gamitin. And kasi pag ma-paint mo na siya on paper, kunwari magkamali ka, basain mo lang. And pwede mo pa
Really?
siyang ma-edit.
Kaya
Yes.
mo wash yung name niya.
Gouache. And kasi yung acrylic, pag na-paint mo na siya, pag matuyo na, hindi mo na siya mababago. So medyo mahirap siya gamitin. And then, yung oil paint naman, ang tagal-tagal niyang matuyo. So yun yung ginagamit ng karamihan ng
Mga
painters
pro.
talaga. Yeah. I mean, hindi naman. Marami ring pro na gumagamit ng watercolor, gouache. Iba, depende sa style mo and like kung ano yung gusto mong look sa painting mo. So yeah, for today, I'm gonna use gouache. So ito siya.
Oh,
And then we can also
hindi
use
pala wash. Kamusta naman yung
gouache.
washroom na rin?
So yeah, we can also use colored pencils if that's what's available. Kasi, so yun nga, since quarantine tayo, lahat ng materials ko nasa studio ko ngayon. So ito lang yung available. And then, so we're gonna need paper.
Okay. I'm gonna use
And
old
then,
envelopes.
go lang. And then we need water para sa paint natin and also brushes.
Alright. Ang cute ng
Tapos,
brushes mo. Alam mo yung pag bumili ka sa art store ng brushes, yung ang dami-daming sizes. So like ito, isang set. Although gift lang naman to. But you don't ever know what to use. Like this. I don't know what these are for. Like this one and this one. So ending, ginagamit ko na lang per color. Ito pang green, ito pang red, ito pang blue.
para maghuhugas.
Exactly. Sobrang tamad lang. Ayan. So today, I will figure out what brushes you're using and I will copy what brushes you use.
Yung favorite ko lang na ginagamit na brush parate, yung mga manipis, yung dulo.
Okay. I think
Kasi
I have
madali
that.
control. Like if meron kang na, let's say, parang corner or mga edges, madali siyang gamitin.
I think the problem is nakaka-intimidate siya for a noob painter like me because parang feeling mo kung malaki yung surface na ipipaint mo, sobrang dami mong kailangan gawin with this tiny brush. Parang
Siguro mga 1 month, ganun.
1 month ka nang nagpe-paint, di ka pa tapos. Parang gusto mong gamitin yung pang paint ng bahay. Yung malaki.
Yeah.
So, meron nag-comment, toothbrush lang daw yung meron sa kanila. That's okay.
Yeah.
Basta wala nang gagamit after, go use it. I think that would be an interesting, you will have an interesting result after. So, ayan. I am going to watch you first, like how you start. Tapos, titignan ko. Ayan, may nag-comment. Kakainom ko lang ng dalandan flavor ng locally. Ang cute. Hi guys. Ako din. Hindi naman ko right now ng dalandan flavor because it's so refreshing. Kung napansin natin kung sobrang init recently. Oh my God,
Sobra.
Ayan.
Yes. Wait.
So, I usually put it in the freezer, this one, for an hour. Perfect na siya. Perfect na siya. Sobrang perfect niya. And, since I feel like we all know that parang since there's a pandemic going around, we're trying to keep our immune system up. And the best way to do that, of course, is to consume vitamin C. And that's why I love locally very much because it has a lot of vitamin C. And I feel like, alam mo yung minsan, ang dami mo ng vitamins na tinatake in a day. Medyo nabobother na rin ako na parang how is my body melting all of this? So I try to look for other sources. So like fruits or juice, which is why locally, this is the answer for me.
Parang masaya, I mean like fun siya i-consume, di ba? Hindi lang yung puro gamot lang.
Yun nga eh, parang naghahanap na rin ako ng mga ibang ways para ma-reach yung level ng vitamins na kailangan ng body ko in a day.
Lahat consume na yan.
Hindi, nabasa ko yung envelope ko, kakaumpisa pa. Ayan. Hi, Bianca. Bibili na daw si Bianca later. Sige, bumili ka ng locally, basta wear your mask and bring your quarantine pass. Quarantine? Actually, that's what I want to do today. I have my quarantine pass right here. And napansin ko, malapit na siyang malukot. And ayoko siyang malukot. So I'm going to make a little folder for my quarantine pass with what we're painting today. So gugupit ako ng... Yan, gugupitin ko tong part na to ng recycled envelope. Alam mo, napapanood ko lang to ng bata ako, yung mga Art Attack, ganyan.
Oo, sobrang
Ngayon,
favorite.
sino nga yung host ng Art Attack before?
Si
Si Neil
Neil,
Buchanan.
Neil Buchanan, oo.
Diba?
Wait,
Sa
pakita ko
Philippines,
rin,
Buchanan lang yun eh. Pero,
pakita ko
syempre
rin
dahil
yung
Disney.
reference natin for
Ay, sige.
today.
Actually, I showed them also kanina before we
Ah,
started.
talaga?
I love that
Nice.
reference you sent.
Diba? Ito. So,
Diba? Sa
pinicturean
lahat
ko
ng
siya
yan.
kagabi.
Ang ganda niyan. Ah, ikaw mismo grabe
Oo.
siya. Isa po siyang talented na tao. So, sa lahat ng yan,
Thank
I
you.
think yung bowl lang yung mabibig ko.
So, naghanap ako ng fruits na nasa bahay namin ngayon. Tapos parang ako, shocks, ito lang yung mga fruits na laman ng ref namin. Okay, sige, go na to. Lagyan na lang natin ng mga production, like mga plants.
Ganda nga ng plants mo. Napansin ko rin sa likod ng house, ay, ng wall mo, may plant din. Are you a plant
Thank
mom?
you. Oo, ang daming plants dito, pero medyo ang daming nadideds rin.
Hindi sila survivors.
Yeah.
Okay, syempre maling part ng envelope yung nagupit ko. May sarado pa at the end. Maybe that will be super beneficial because, di ba? Ganun lang. Para ngayon, pag pupunta akong grocery, tapos hiningi yung quarantine pass ko, ilalabas ko na lang siya ng ganun. I volunteer as tribute.
Oo. Ganda.
Thank you so much.
Sobrang
Somebody asked
arts and
here,
crafts tayo dito.
I know, right? Somebody asked here, hi, Miss Soleil, is there a store that ships outstretched canvas here in Metro Manila po?
I'm sure meron, pero hindi ko maalala yung name ngayon. Pero ang dami kong friends namin, ino-orderan sila ng canvases. Itanong ko muna, and then later, after ng live na to, i-post ko.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, game. So, start na rin ako na mag-sketch netong reference natin.
Alright.
Okay.
Sige, panoorin lang kita ha. Tapos,
Okay,
later,
go.
kung ano na lang i-drawing ko dito sa akin.
Oo,
Actually, you
paano
know
yung
what? I
gawin?
feel like, sige, I feel like this is the most hyper I've been during this whole quarantine. Because, like I said nga, like all I have been doing most of my time is just be on Netflix. Which is also fine if that's what you like to do. Because, you know, that's kind of my line of work. So I also use different shows as research. But, at the same time, yun nga, nagiging lethargic ako the whole day. But now, I feel super energetic. I think it's also because of drinking juice and consuming vitamin C today. And I'm actually excited to try the other flavors because I usually just go for the landan. But locally actually has a lot of really nice flavors. Like buko. And buko is such a
Yung
Filipino.
guava, gusto ko siya.
Na-try mo na yung guava.
Yeah.
Guava is actually super good for you. Like, it has so many antibacterial properties. Yes, ang pangalan ko po muna today ay Kuya Kim. So, ang nagawa ko pa lang, habang nakapag-sketch ka na, ang nagawa ko pa lang maggupit ng envelope.
No pressure, girl. Go lang.
So, I'm watching now. Wow! How did you draw that lemon? Sige. Uumpisahan ko ng isang malaking bilog.
So, nag-start lang muna ako dito sa lemon na to, and then, like, parang i-plot mo lang yung shapes niya. So, merong bilog dito, and then meron pa dito.
Okay. So, basta, hindi naman kailangan super perfect to, di ba?
No, oo, hindi naman kailangan.
Okay.
Depende yan kung paano mo i-express, or like, yung, what do you call this? Paano mo i-interpret yung reference natin.
Okay. So, I have a request. My favorite singer of all time is Harry Styles. And sa album niya, meron kasi siyang kanta na Watermelon Sugar and Kiwi. So, I kind of wanna learn how to draw watermelon also.
Yeah.
But I will draw now a circle for the lemon. I'm copying from the reference you sent.
Ang cute sana ng kiwi na i-paint. Kaso, ang hirap kasi maghanap ngayon ng kiwi sa grocery.
Actually. Ang daming naubos na fruit sa grocery, napansin ko, lalo na ng first week ng quarantine. Kasi sa bahay namin,
Sobra.
kami lang dalawa ng assistant ko dito. So, what's this? Parang ako yung naka-assign. Sa akin, yung name ko yung nilagay sa quarantine pass. So, I do the grocery runs. And on the first week, kasi parang I know it's fake news, but may nagkalat na bananas daw cure corona, which is already a known fact na hindi totoo. But people
Yeah.
just hoarded bananas. And then later, nag-hoard na ng lahat ng fruits. So every time pupunta akong grocery, laging walang natita ng fruits. Medyo hassle.
Yeah, so
But that's one of the reasons why we have to look for different sources of vitamin C or like our usual fruit intake. Okay. Bakit mukhang pizza yung watermelon ko? Sali. Paano to?
patingin.
Triangle pala kinadodrawing ko. Mukha siyang pepperoni pizza. But I'm enjoying the lemon right now. Grabe ha, mas mahirap pa sa math tong ginagawa natin ngayon.
Nakita ko pala dun sa isa mong story, meron kang yung life-size na print ni Harry Styles.
Oh my God. Yung Standy.
Oo.
Gift siya sa akin. Shout out sa Belovers. Alam ko nanonood kayo right now. Sila nagbigay sa akin ng
Oh, ang galing naman.
thank you so much. Madali ba i-drawing ang apple for you or hindi?
For me, medyo madali. Pero like, minsan, dahil parang andali niya, nagmumukha siyang yung typical cartoon look ng apple.
Ano kaya to? Right now, dalawang...
I think yung favorite ko na dinodrawing na fruit, orange or lemon.
Orange.
Ang interesting kasi na to, yung parang yung shape na to. Ang cute.
Actually, ang ganda ng face nung pag nakakat yung lemon. No? So,
Okay, kamusta na yung artwork mo dyan?
Ito,
Yung
isa pa rin siyang,
masterpiece.
ano pa lang, sketch pa lang. I am gonna put paint here. What do you call this, Soleil? I never know.
Palette. Palette.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Alam ko yun,
Buti nga may
tinetest lang
palette.
kita.
Ako wala akong palette. Tingnan mo, yung palette ko ito lang. Takip
Alam
ng,
mong pro ka na pag kaya mo.
Tupperware.
Ganyan lang. Hindi, seryoso. Actually, gift lang tong paint set na to sa akin. Wala naman talaga akong paint set. But Danny, my best friend Danny, gave me a paint set that she just never used a couple of years ago. And ito yun.
Okay, buti na lang. Thank you kay Danny. Binigyan ka
Thank you
niya
so
ng
much. Exactly. Shout out to Danny girl. So, are you gonna use white paint para dun sa gilid-gilid ng lemon?
Saan? Yung sa gilid-gilid nung?
Lemon. Di ba pag slinice mo yung lemon in the middle, meron siyang
Yeah.
parang thin layer na white. So, I have to
So,
use white.
ito, isang technique na i-share ko when you're painting using watercolor or gouache, yung mga white areas, like kunwari, ito, yung mga highlights, so iiwasan lang natin siya. Yun na yung parang yung white ng paper, yun na siya. Kasi with watercolor and gouache, since hindi sila ganun ka-solid pag pinaint mo, yung white, hindi siya makikita ng madali. So, usually, iiwasan mo na lang yung paper para yun yung magiging highlight. Yun yung parang white.
That is so helpful. Akala ko
Yeah.
talagang you will paint over it ng white.
Pwede
Okay,
rin.
that makes
I guess
sense.
with
Tama.
gouache, pwede. Mhm. Pero it's easier
Oh,
na
mas madali
iwasan
yung
mo
way
yung... Yeah. And also, pagka magpe-paint ka using watercolor or gouache, usually magsa-start ka with the lightest color papunta sa dark. Para
Thank you for
madali
that.
siyang...
Munti ko nang isaw-saw yung brush sa color red. Thank you for that.
So,
Okay,
yun. Paint
so,
tips for everyone.
What would go well with the lemon and a slice of watermelon? What do you think? What other fruit?
I think yung kiwi. Cute yung color nun eh.
Kiwi. Sige. Hanap tayo ng kiwi.
So, meron ng watermelon na red and then, ano yung isang fruit?
Lemon, which is yellow.
Lemon, yellow. So, yeah, something green naman.
Kiwi. Kiwi's medyo oblong, no?
Mm-hmm.
Color brown lang pala gagawin ko. Labas lang ng kiwi.
Ikat mo yung kiwi para maganda yung loob.
Actually, gagawin ko talaga yung labas lang ng kiwi. Wala nang makakaalam. Okay, so kiwi's kind of like light green.
Yeah.
There you go. I swear, everything I'm drawing right now doesn't look like the fruit I want. Like, the watermelon looks like a pizza. My kiwi looks like a donut. But, we will not give up. Titignan ko to later. Baka naman.
Patingin. Pakita mo sa akin mamaya. Edit natin.
Sige, sige. Pwede bang ipag-grab ko tong ang drawing ko sa'yo?
Sige, go. Ituloy ko lang tong sketch ko.
Usap lang muna kami na tong painting ko. There. This is amazing. Salamat at binigyan mo ko ng activity today. Sa totoo lang, I'm running out of things to do, but I know like it's so important to keep active and healthy during this quarantine. Like, there are so many people who post workout videos right now, cooking videos.
Yeah.
Do you like to cook? Do you personally like to cook, Sule?
Ako, no. I don't cook. I can't cook.
Sa next time
Pero
na nag-visit tayo, turuan kitang magluto. Wow!
Ay, yes. Tapos sobrang nakakaingit yung mga nagbe-bake ngayon kasi wala kaming oven sa bahay. So parang, okay, panood na lang ng mga stories nyo, ng mga tinapay na binibake nyo.
And honestly, it's so helpful to learn those things right now because just like fruits, bread is one of the commodities na ang bilis maubos sa grocery. Parang nag-hoard yung mga tao ng bread, ng prutas. So again, you have to look for alternatives. So like, learn how to make your own bread, or like I said, instead of juice, you can consume something else that I guess gives you the same benefits as eating.
Pero nakakatawa kasi may nakita akong post na yung nauubos naman ngayon is yung mga baking supplies sa grocery.
Yeah. Parang people are hoarding, I guess, stuff na they want to learn to make also. Tapos diba nagkaroon ng trend ng banana bread. Like lahat ng tao na nag-bake ngayon ng banana bread.
Ng banana bread. Baka kaya naubos yung banana sa grocery.
Pwede rin. Gusto ko pong manawagan sa lahat ng tao right now. Nag-hoard ng banana dyan. Please, tirahan niyo po kami.
Sige, game. So, mag-start na akong mag-paint na tong sa akin. Ah, cute!
Wala pa akong napaayos dito.
Game. Tapos sa akin, so start ako sa lemon muna.
Sige, kala mo naman pigilan kita. But you know, it's so interesting. Since the quarantine started, ang daming online classes. Like this one, we're kind of, I think in our own way, we're helping our community stay active. Like there are so many ways to stay active, not just through working out or not just physical activity, but I feel like people sometimes tend to forget na we have to keep our mental health in check also because, you know, especially for people who are isolated.
Oo,
kind of like,
yung mga mag-isa lang.
True. So, bakit yung lemon ko parang pang grade school? Ano to?
Cute yan! Parang graphic style.
Papanoorin ko muna yung sayo. Hey, hindi ka pa tapos. Ang ganda na nung sayo.
Mukha lang dahil malayo yung yung camera. Sa angle. Pero yeah, kaya sobrang gusto ko rin yung gouache and watercolor na medium. Kasi parang kahit unfinished look, ang ganda niya na kagad.
Oh, okay.
So parang medyo may nakakalusot ako.
You know what I get amazed with? Yung mga sa Pinterest na watercolor drawings na parang may pinapakita sila like how they do it. Like they'll put one dot of paint tapos i-dip yung brush in water and then kakalat
Mm-mm.
yung paint. Parang gagawa siya ng sarili niyang pattern. Galing.
Yeah.
Sino nagtuturo sa inyo ng ganun? Like, or do you just come up with it on your own?
Um, Well, parang sa school kasi dati. So, ang dami naming medium na in-experiment. So, parang ma-discover mo yung ganun na qualities ng paint habang gumagamit ka ng iba-ibang iba-ibang medium. So,
Tapos
kaya
doon mo
kami,
na discover which one you like the most. Tama.
yes, exactly. Kaya kami na-encourage before na to, use a lot
Try
of
on it.
materials, yeah. Para
May age.
ma-discover mo ano yung favorite mo na medium and your style, ganyan.
Meron bang age
So,
limit sa pag-aral ng art? Like ako, may pag-asa pa ba ako?
girl, wala. Ano ba? I mean, walang age limit. Hindi naman walang pag-asa.
Walang limit. I love it.
Walang limit. But,
Sky's the
yun.
limit.
Kahit na sobrang tanda mo na pwede ka pa mag-art classes. Like,
Because
kahit
there
for
are
fun
definitely
lang.
things na parang you can't learn later on in life. Like, kunwari, ballet, you know, like I feel like that's something you have to learn very early on.
Mm-mm.
But, especially now, during the quarantine, I'm trying to look for things na I can learn. So, I've always been interested in cooking, but I am kind of too busy to cook for myself. So alam mo yung parang naging complacent ka, so you just keep ordering food or nagpapadeliver ka lang palagi ng food. But now, during the quarantine, I've kind of rekindled my interest in cooking.
Nice.
So, now, at least, meron ng painting. Nadadagdagan yung mga alam nating gawin, di ba?
Alam mo ba yung mama ko, nag-take siya recently ng interior design course. So, yun, proof lang na you're not...
Galing. Good job, Mama. Let's give a
Shout
shout out
out
to
kay
your mama.
Mama.
What's your mama?
Nanonood data siya ngayon.
Hi, Tita! Tita! Nakikita! Hi, Tita! I dedicate this quarantine pass envelope to you. And kudos on the classes you're taking. That's amazing. I like activities that prove that it's never too late to learn something.
Yeah.
Okay, so grabe po yung focus ngayon. Picasso is shaking. Wow. Sabi ni Picasso, ba't kinamay mo
Uy,
pa ako?
Picasso.
Picasso, usap tayo. Okay. So, ayan. 3 brush na yung nagagamit ko, which means 3 color na yung nagamit ko. Now, for watermelon, would you suggest like a pure red for a watercolor painting, or should I add white to it and make it kind of pinkish?
Start ka with a bit of white. Mag-add ka ng onting white. And then, towards dun sa... Di ba yung look, yung itsura ng watermelon, yung dun sa may point part, yun yung pinaka-red. Tapos yung malapit na dun sa balat, medyo nagiging light red siya to pink.
Oh, tama.
Ish.
Okay, I will
Tapos
do that.
tapos yung gitna nung red part and yung balat, medyo white siya. Tapos green.
Whitish. Tapos pag green.
Yeah.
Oo, tama. Thank you for that. I will do that. Okay. So I do actually have a lot of friends who don't really like eating fruits or vegetables, which is really sad, especially since we're a country that's why I really love your suggestion of drawing fruits today, because we're a country that produces so many delicious fruits. But at the same time, yun nga parang hindi naman lahat tayo kumakain ng healthy stuff. So,
Well, medyo guilty ako na hindi ako mahilig kumain ng gulay. Pero
nako,
fruits,
ikaw talagang bata ka, ha? Tita, oh! Nagsumbong. sa mga hindi mahilig kumain ng fruits and vegetables, there are so many alternatives out there. Like in the morning, syempre, I don't know why, but a lot of celebrities I noticed take celery shake in the morning. And celery is a bit hard to eat. Like, sobrang strong ng flavor niya. So, I asked my assistant, or sometimes I'll do it on my own to make a celery. Kamusta naman? So, I usually add like a couple of apples or orange juice. And it tastes better. But sometimes, if I don't have apples or orange, I usually add half a can of locally. This dalandan flavor is amazing with anything. I think maybe because dalandan is such a Pinoy flavor also, like, I feel like this brings up so many childhood memories for me. Alam mo yung pag
Yeah.
umuwi yung mom mo galing grocery or galing
Oo.
palengke, usually isa yan sa mga laging
Dalandan.
uwi, dalandan. What is your favorite fruit?
Oh my God. Well, mango. Favorite.
Sarap.
Lalo na yung ano ba yun? Indian mango na,
Indian
oo,
mango.
yung gilaw na medyo matamis, pero gusto ko yung sobrang maasim pa.
I love both.
And then-
I love super ripe and super hilaw mango.
Tapos, sasawsaw mo sa bagoong.
Pag
God,
merienda
sarap.
ko yan kahapon.
Ingit. Sarap.
Send me your address later. Padala ka ng bagoong. Bagoong na lang kasi natira eh. Wala ng mango. Hindi, sobrang ripe na kasi ng mangoes. May kaibigan ako nagpadala. Actually, may isa ako dito. Gusto ko siyang gawing peg kanina. Pero na-realize ko, ang hirap yata i-drawing ng manga. Kasi may mga details siya na kind of too hard for me, I think. I don't know.
No, kaya mo yan, girl. Gusto ko sana ng mangga rin na idodrawing, kaso wala kasi kaming mangga ngayon. So, eto lang.
Mukha ba siyang watermelon o mukha siyang headband? Yun totoo.
Oo, mukha siyang watermelon.
God.
Ano yung paint na meron ka dyan?
What do you mean? Anong
Anong
kind?
paint? Oo.
This is watercolor.
Kasi if meron ka nung acrylic paint, pwede mong lagyan ng mga white dots. Para doon. Ay, wait. White ba yung mga buto? Or black?
Black. Black.
White and black. Nakalimutan.
I actually have a mango here. Sobrang bango niya. Hinog na siya.
Oh my God! Naamoy ko rin siya.
Locally, actually also has mango flavor. So, kung wala kang mabilihan ng mango, papadala na lang kita ng locally na mango.
Sige, please.
Ayan, yung pinsan ko nag-comment. Marami daw mangga sa bahay. Indian mango yun. Meron silang puno ng Indian mango.
So, sa province rin namin, meron kaming, yung bahay namin doon, may puno ng mangga. So, every time umuwi kami doon, parating inuubos namin yung mga mangga.
Dumaan ka ba sa part ng childhood mo na nakaakit ka ng puno ng mangga? Kasi ako na-try ko na yun.
Hindi ko maalala if mangga yung inakyat ko, pero meron kaming inaakyat ng mga puno dati. Tapos, may isang favorite din ako na fruit fruit sa Pampanga kasi yung province namin. Yung aratilis.
Uy, ang sarap ng
Alam mo yun,
aratilis.
yung maliliit.
Oo, tas sobrang sweet.
Sobrang.
I haven't seen aratilis in a long time.
Parang sa Manila, wala masyadong ganun.
Wala na. Alam mo kung saan lang ako and sobrang weird nito. Pero sa cementerio na lang ako nakakita ng aratilis.
Wow. Okay, so, saan na ba ako? So, pink.
Okay, I am looking for a peg of watermelon. I am dedicating this quarantine folder of mine to Harry Styles. Wow!
Shout out to Harry. Wow.
Hi, Kuya Harry. Kuya Harry. So, the seeds of watermelons are like teardrops na medyo pa ganun.
Yes.
Hala, ayaw mag-cooperate ng brush ko. Ano ba naman to? Baliktad!
May nag-comment sa kanya lang daw si Harry.
Hoy! Wait lang po ha. Share tayo. Okay. Bigyan ko si Harry ng painting.
So, nung grade school ako and high school, sobrang baliw naman ako kay Justin Timberlake. Like, insane.
Dumaan tayo
Forever.
We all went through the Justin Timberlake phase, I think.
Grabe.
Is there a way to repair this? Because this is supposed to be a kiwi, but it turned out to be like a different shade of green from what I imagined. Can I still add some gray?
Yeah, oo, pwede pa. And ano ba yung look ng kiwi? Hindi ko kasi maalala. I think,
Yellow.
'di ba may mga yung seeds.
Buto-buto. Yeah.
Yeah, oo. Add mo lang
But
yun.
it should be yellow-green. So, tapos
Add
yung
ka ng
scent of
slight yellow-green, ganyan.
Okay.
And then yung gilid tawag dito ng kiwi, 'di ba, parang hairy yung surface. So add ka ng parang mga mukhang buhok-buhok. Parang linya-linya lang.
Light brown, no? If I would draw a dalandan right now, what would that look like? Like an orange, no? Pero green yung balat. And
Orange pero orange pero green.
I'm looking at the picture you sent to study. Sobrang layo ng lemon ko, Suli.
Ano yan? Bella style.
Bella Ciao.
Ciao.
Tsaka parang hindi siya proportion, no? Ganito lang kaliit yung watermelon ko. Tapos yung kiwi ko na nakalaki.
Okay lang yan. Ang cute nung
Ang ganda nung
sobrang
sayo.
gusto ko yung lemon. Thank
Grabe,
you.
ba't ganyan ka? You're so talented. Pwede mo panoorin na lang kita.
No, kailangan mo mag-paint din. Samahan mo.
Okay. Ang bilis ma-convince. Okay, I'll do it. What are those little red fruits that you added in the picture?
Ano nga ba to?
Cranberries?
I think cranberries, yes. So,
Okay. Looks yummy.
so nag-shake rin kasi ako minsan
Oh.
ng So, oats, cranberries, blueberries,
Sarap.
para...
These are all antioxidants. Everything you mentioned.
Mhm.
So good for you.
Okay, shadow. Okay, ang weird ng ginawa ko na shadow. Magkaiba yung light source, but whatever.
Sige, tuturuan kita later ha. Wait lang. I want to see what our viewers are making right now. Can you please tag us? I want to see kung they made their own interpretation of these fruits or they're following what we are doing. Well, what you're doing technically. Please tag us, like me and Soleil, and locally, so we can repost some of the best artwork that is being made right now. Maling-mali ako sa pag-drawing ng kiwi. Napakadaming details pala nito.
Okay, so ginagawa ko yung parang candle holder. Actually, candle holder kasi to. So, ginawa ko siyang
Parang prop.
yeah, oo. Tapos, gusto kong baguhin yung color, so ginawa ko na lang purple. Para cute pa rin.
Actually, the purple matches the yellow really well. Like the can of local. It's like you're making a locally can, right?
Mm-hmm. And you know why na bakit maganda yung itsura ng violet tsaka yellow?
Why?
Kasi, so, di ba may color wheel? Sa color
Yes.
theory, yung mga complementary colors, yung magkabaligtad,
Katapat.
oo, maganda sila
Like they're a
na,
cross.
maganda silang ipag-mix, ganyan, i-pair. So,
What else
so, yellow and violet sila yung complementary, red and green, complementary
orange and
rin.
blue? No.
Orange and blue, yes. Yes, color theory.
I actually really enjoyed art class when I was young. I remember merong class na pinagawa sa amin, parang pointillism.
Mm.
And you create something, but sobrang tiyaga mo dapat for
Ang
pointillism.
hirap nun pointillism.
Sobrang hirap. Natapos ko naman yung project after mga ilang weeks. Baka late lang ako. Shout out sa mga teacher ko dyan.
nung
Salamat
pinagawa
po.
rin yun sa amin dati, parang ako, grabe, gagawin talaga natin to. Sobrang daming dots magagawa. Possible ba to?
Sobrang tiyaga mo dapat for pointillism.
Yeah. And then yung pag matapos mo, sobrang amazed ka sa sarili mo na nagawa mo
Saka
siya.
tinitignan mo talaga siya from afar, no? Kasi yung details, ang liliit dots. So you have to really look at it from afar. If we didn't go to art school like you did, what is the best way for us to kind of learn the basics of art?
Ngayon,
Is there an
sobrang
online, like
YouTube.
a website that YouTube, I
Sa
guess,
YouTube,
yeah.
sobrang daming mga video tutorials, ganyan. And also, I think yung Skillshare, mga website like that na ang daming in-depth na tutorials. Mga painting tutorial, drawing, ganyan. And also, pagka mag-open na ulit yung mundo, ang daming workshops, lalo na tuwing summer, ang daming artists na nag-hold ng workshops.
Actually,
Hindi
for all the
lang
moms,
with painting.
yeah, for all the moms, I think, also who are watching right now, I would love for you guys to encourage your kids to watch live videos like right now, live sessions of people trying to teach skills to kids.
Yeah.
Because that's just amazing. I feel like you should never stop learning. And actually, tomorrow there's another live class that locally is hosting. It's a Pilates class. I am definitely joining that because Pilates for me is one of the most effective workouts. Like, feeling mo wala ka masyadong ginagawa pero ang bilis ng effect.
Yeah.
So I'm joining that class.
And then after, ang sakit na ng katawan mo, no?
Diba? Pero may abs ka kagad.
Oo. Yung parang feeling
Naalala
mo
ko.
walang... Ano yun?
Yes.
Sorry, go.
Sorry. Hindi naalala ko nung Coldplay concert. Gusto ko talaga mag-crop top. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Like, planado ko yun eh. Galing akong taping. Magka-crop top ako pumunta ng Coldplay concert. Nag-isang Pilates class ako bago mag-Coldplay concert. Ayun.
Siyempre, para lumabas yung mga abs.
Para magkaroon ng cuts. Ayan. What do you think of the kiwi?
Yes! Ganda.
Uy,
Mukha
borrow
na-
naman
mukha
ang
na siyang
apple mo na
kiwi.
yan. Pwede bang i-cut out mo na?
Juicy apple.
It is a juicy apple. Apple
So,
juice.
ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung
Yeah.
magli-leave ka ng white ng paper para mukhang may
Light.
yung highlights ng apple.
Kahit yung lemon, dinagyan mo ng white. Grabe! Tingnan mo naman yung layo nung ginawa nating dalawa.
Cute! Gusto ko yan.
What other fruit can I add to these three, do you think?
Ano pa ba? Grapes.
Grapes.
Para may purple ka rin.
Sige. So, since I don't have purple paint, I'll just add blue and red, right?
Yes.
More red than blue?
I think gawin mo munang 50-50 and then depende sa gusto mong look ng
Sa
purple. Oo.
I'm learning so many tips today. Thank you so much.
Yay.
So again, guys, to those who are also making their own interpretations of the fruits we're making today, please tag us. I really want to see like what people came up with. Especially if you stuck to, Filipino tropical fruits. That would be amazing.
Gusto mo yung in the zone na talaga tayo.
Oo nga eh.
Seryoso na to.
Ganito yung napanood ko sa Art Attack. Grabe no, ang galing ng Art Attack. Yung gagawa siya ng, he uses
Malaki.
weird materials, tapos malaki. Pag zoom out, dun mo palang
Oo.
makikita kung anong ginawa niya.
Tapos so dati parang gusto ko, ano ba yung PVC glue? Gusto ko rin ng PVC glue.
Oo.
Normal white glue lang pala.
Shocks, ngayon ko lang nalaman yun.
Actually, pili ko yun din yun. Normal white glue lang ata siya.
Thank you so
Or
much.
baka mamaya hindi pala, no? Baka may special kind of glue pa pala talaga. Okay, so next.
Nasaan na yung brush na ginamit ko sa green? Ito yun. Nagawa ka ng dahon, ng grape. Thank you so much for my pag-grapes dito na hiwa-hiwalay.
Yes.
What should I add here in this space? If I have violet, red, green, and yellow.
Wait.
Gusto mo yung ginugulo kita habang gumagawa ka rin.
Nag-iisip talaga ako ng magandang i-add. Ano pa bang mga fruits?
I'm so sorry.
Mango.
I'll consider a guava.
Ooh,
Mango,
guava.
Buko!
Buko, yeah, oo.
I will make buko.
Kaso pa,
That's
di
one
ba
of our
parang medyo kamukha
White.
nung kiwi. Patingin nung gawa.
Nahanap ako online ng peg ng buko.
Mag-add ka rin ng orange.
Orange.
Para
Sige.
cute.
I think, coconut painting and orange paint. Okay. I actually love coconuts. Coconut water is so healthy. Locally has a buko flavor. And I feel like that is like one of the main fruits that we have here. And coconut is so good and so useful in so many ways. How do you paint a coconut? Meron tutorial, nakakaloka. See, this is the stuff I need in my life. Mukha nga siyang kiwi, you're right.
Coconut na
Orange na lang. Ang bilis nag-give up. Orange. Kasi parang mahirap yung coconut eh.
Nakasara na coconut or bukas na coconut?
Pwede ba mag-drawing na lang ako ng lata ng locally, tapos lalagay ko buko?
Ay.
Yun na lang yung representation ko ng coconut in this drawing.
Yeah. Go. Wait lang.
I'm gonna tape this later on. Dahil I used lang naman an old envelope. But look, it's so cute na yun pag hiningi yung quarantine pass ko. Ilalabas ko na lang siya dito sa pa-envelope. Yes, sir. May quarantine pass po ako.
At gawa ko rin yung envelope.
Nagawa ko na po yung envelope. Care of Soleil. Have you ever been asked for your quarantine pass during this quarantine? I have.
Ako, hindi ako yung lumalabas sa amin eh. So, wala akong quarantine pass.
Iba siya inassign.
Mm-mm.
Di ba
So,
kumalat yung
medyo
on Instagram, yung parang trend na make your own orange.
make your own orange? Ano yun?
Yung parang sa IG stories, yung draw what what you think of as an orange. Tapos,
Mm.
tinatag ka ng friends mo. And then,
Yeah. Okay, oo. Yung sobrang
sunod-sunod puro
daming
orange.
screen cap.
Yeah, kasi I
Oo.
feel like people were raising awareness na parang drink your vitamin C, like take your vitamin C, and orange is of course one of the best sources. But if you can't find an orange, there are so many citrus fruits that are huge in vitamin C,
Mhm.
like dalandan or even guava actually. I feel like para sa mga taong hindi nakakaalam kung bakit ang daming nagsasabi na kailangan natin ng vitamin C. That's the biggest and easiest way kasi to boost your immune system. And we all need that right now.
Yeah. Medyo scary.
Sobrang basic ng orange ko. Literal na bilog lang siya na orange. Ayan na siya sa lake.
Lagyan mo ng parang mga onting dots. Like,
What
orange,
color?
tas haluan mo ng very, very slight blue. Para
Blue?
darker orange. Tapos, di ba yung orange parang medyo may dimples yung balat niya.
Yeah. Baka sa next art class na natin kung magawa yung dim.
Wait, gawin ko dito sa lemon. Gawin ko dito sa
Sige,
lemon.
manonood na lang ako kung paano mong gagawin. But that's so beautiful. You really copied the peg, like, really well.
Wait lang.
You are
Okay.
amazing.
Medyo na-pressure ako sa gagawin ko.
Sorry. Binabawi ko na. Trying to look for the picture you sent me for the lemon. I want to see again what it looks like.
Yan. So, ganito.
Oh, that's so pretty.
So, parang
But in a way, shadow pa rin.
darker yellow lang. Hmm?
Parang that's your shadow na rin.
Oo. Slight lang.
Joke lang. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yan. Nag-imagine lang ako.
Okay, next.
Our interpretations of fruits are obviously very different. Mine is so 2D. Ito lang po talaga yung
Yes,
kinain.
style na yan eh. Gusto ko yung ganyang
I'm gonna
style
look for
rin.
an orange art. Ano, yung walang style.
Gusto ko yung ganyang style. Yung parang graphic lang. So,
It is a
I mean,
baby drawing.
pwede kang magpaka-realistic or like minimalist, graphic
What would you
style.
call this? I think isa na lang akong cartoonist. Wow. Hala, Suli, ang haba ng tangkay.
Nang?
Orange.
Okay lang yan.
Hi!
Huwag ka
Shout out
ma-stress.
sa mga people na struggled there like me. Can I read in the comment section who else is struggling like I am right now? You know,
Basahin muna
this
natin mga
painting ng
comments.
flowers na ginawa ko, yung pinakita ko sa'yo kanina, sobrang tagal kong ginawa yan. Parang ilang araw din ng quarantine ko yung nagamit ko dyan.
No rush. Meron ako isang painting din, hindi ko pa ulit siya ginagalaw. Ginawa ko siya, I think, last week. Tas, okay, bye. Diyan ka muna. Hindi pa kita tatapusin.
Pwede pala yun. Okay. I think happy na ako dito.
May nag-comment,
This is my-
mangga na lang daw kulang.
Ay, pwede bang bagoong na lang yung drawing ko para brown lang? This is my locally quarantine pass.
Beauty, ang cute ng kulay.
Ayan, sabi ni Bianca, I can relate with you, Ate Bells. Ha ha ha. Yes, Bianca, don't give up. Don't give up. Parang malungkot yung lemon ko. Hindi siya ganun ka-yellow. Pwede ko pa bandagdagan?
Oopsie, nagkamali ako.
So there, the perfect, I think, for me, thing to do is yan, learn a new skill in the afternoons because I feel like people have to stick with routine still kahit na quarantine. Kasi minsan
sobra.
parang natin dahil, you know, nasa bahay lang tayong lahat to have a routine. So if, what day is it today? See, I don't even know what day it is.
Monday.
It's like, Monday is artwork day. Alam mo yun, parang set a schedule for yourself. I feel like that's a great way to stay active and mentally healthy during this quarantine. So Monday now for me will be artwork.
Love it.
Anong
So every
schedule?
Monday, meron ka ng bagong artwork.
Yes. I will try my bestest. Nagawa ko ng post-it. Puro post-it lang yung pinipaint ko. What's your sked later?
Later, meron kaming group workout session
Ay, ang
with my
saya.
friends. Para, ma-pressure kami na mag-workout.
Tara, sali tayo sa
So,
tomorrow, sa locally Pilates.
Yung sa Pilates. Okay,
Ano,
excited. So, yung gagawin naman namin mamaya, yung 2-week ab workout. So, kailangan
nice.
yung 2 weeks, may abs na daw kami.
Posible ba yun? Pwede mo ba ipadala yung link sa akin?
Sige, isend ko yung link sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung kayanin.
So this illustration for you, yung ganitong karaming fruits, I guess, and like the one we just did. Usually, walang, kasi nakikita ko patapos ka na, it hasn't been an hour yet. So, is it really that fast for you to make?
Not really. Minsan mas matagal pa pagka mas gusto ko ng mas maraming details. So, yun. Sometimes when I make an illustration, minsan 3 days. I mean, hindi 3 days straight. As in, matagal siya. Ngayon, syempre pressured ako na, nanonood ka, kailangan bilisan ko na.
Grabe naman. Walang pressure at all. Girl, tignan mo nga yung dinadrawing ko.
Hindi, pero yeah, minsan mas matagal pa. And depende rin, I guess, sa kung gaano ako ka-inspired and kung nasa mood ba ako. Minsan pag wala talaga, pag di ko feel mag-drawing or mag-painting, ang tagal ko.
Okay, hindi na ako masyado na-feel bad sa ginawa ko dahil sa sinabi mo yan. Dinagdagan ko ng cherry sa baba. Pwede ba next time turuan mo ako mag-paint ng pinya? Wow! Next
Go!
time.
Oo! Pinya, maganda sana yung i-add.
Grabe yung details ng pinya doon.
Oo nga eh.
So, meron akong pa-cherry.
Cute!
Because of the song Cherry by Harry Styles. Obvious ba na obsessed ako kay Harry Styles? Hindi naman, wala to guys.
Add ko dito. Okay, so nag-a-add lang din ako dito ng colored pencil naman. Para lang more eme.
Oh, cool. Pang detail.
Yep.
Thank you for the idea. Ipe-pencil ko na lang yung mga ibang bagay na hindi ko ma-drawing.
Kasi medyo ang hirap mag-detail pag sa paint eh.
Ang hirap din mag-detail, sulit pag hindi mo alam paano mag-detail. Ako lang to Nahanap pa ako ng ibang fruits na pwede. So,
Strawberry. Cute din yun.
parang mahirap yung strawberry. Kung kasing galing mo ako mag-paint, sa totoo lang, baka
Grabe.
dami ko nang nagawa ngayon. But, ako lang to, guys. Merong cartoon dito ng fruit na hindi ko alam kung ano to. So, hindi ko na lang siya gagawin. Hindi ko pa natikman tong fruit na to. But, yeah. Parang guava is so hard. Ooh, I can make a dragon fruit.
Ay, cute din. Maganda yun. Pink. Pink yun, di ba? Iba.
Pinkish purplish na yung loob white lang na puro buto-buto.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited. So, good luck sa yung workout session later. Let me know kung may energy ka pa tomorrow na mag-Pilates. There were so many classes. Like, I actually watched the ones of Lorene and Isa Pressmans for locally as well. That one was super fun. They had
yung
games.
kay Joyce naman. Yung...
Joyce Bridge.
Oo. Yung kickboxing ba yun? Or...
Ooh, that's actually one of my favorite sports as well.
So, before, nagbaboxing kami. Pero, kinabahan ako kasi parang feeling kong mababali yung kamay ko sa boxing.
Oo
So,
nga,
tumigil na
nakikita
ako
pa
kasi, oo, scary. Before ng quarantine, sobrang na-addict ako mag-wall climbing. Ang saya-saya mag-wall
Kamusta?
climbing.
Mahirap
Na-try mo
ba?
na? Ha?
Hindi pa. Mahirap. Is it hard? Not yet. I haven't tried.
Medyo may mga madadali na route. Tapos, sa start, kakabahan ka pag nasa taas ka na. Pagka medyo na malapit mo nang maabot yung taas. Tapos lalo na pagka may, ang tawag dito, may fear of heights ka. Medyo malalambot ka. Pero pag masanay ka na, medyo sobrang fun na niya. And masakit siya sa katawan. Pero
Feeling ko yun
exciting.
yung reason. But hindi ko siya magawa. May fear of heights ako. But you know what?
Talaga?
Maybe. Feeling ko after this quarantine, I am willing to try more things. Like this, like painting. This is not something I would usually do because I'm not too good at it. Or I feel like, alam mo yun, parang there are other things I have to focus on. Or, alam mo yun, maybe because pag hindi quarantine, we're all very busy with work. So, ang hirap mag-experiment with new things. But now, I wanna actively try different activities after this. So, I will add that to my list, wall climbing.
Go, try mo yun next time. Sobrang fun. And, ang gandang workout rin. And then, sobrang ma-workout.
Parang grabe yung strength, yung upper body strength mo dapat, tsaka legs, no? Okay. This is my artwork for today.
Ooh! Ay, ang ganda ng dragon fruit. Cute. I love it.
Thank you so much. Siguro maglalagay na lang ako ng mga kung ano-ano sa background na...
Pirmahan mo yan, girl, ah.
Yung
Lagyan mo
pirma ko
na,
mas
this
malaki pa
is
din sa mga
Bella's quarantine pass folder.
diba?
This
Please return
belongs
when
to
found. Lahat ng notebook ko linalagyan ko ng ganun. This is my notebook. It is not yours. If you are not me, return my notebook now. Pati sa pag-notify ng tao, pilosopo pa rin ako. So, I added green. I'm actually quite happy with this. I deserve more locally after. May reward. I think
I
maganda
think
rin
medyo tapos
gawin.
na rin ako. Ano na bang itsura nito?
Ang ganda! Ba't ganyan
Thank
ka?
you.
There. I added curvy stuff around in the background. For a lack of a better term, curvy stuff.
Lagyan mo ng mga dahon-dahon na ano.
I put
Cute.
squiggles.
Cute yan. Oo.
Okay, so I'm gonna tape this later on because since it's just a recycled envelope, there was an opening kanina. And now I'm gonna tape it up when this dries. And I will put my quarantine pass inside. So I still have leftover, sayang yung envelope, ang daming parts pa, ang daming pang space. So I'm gonna make one for my friend Tracy later. Ta-da!
Swerte. Swerte nila. Wait na wala. Okay. Love it. Okay, ito. Ito na rin ang aking finished-ish product.
So beautiful. So,
Let's
malala.
sign. Pirmahan natin.
Isa kang illustrator.
Yay!
Pati pirma mo maganda pa rin. Paano? I will just put a letter B.
Magbabasa muna ako ng Hi! Shout out daw from Madrid, Spain.
Oh, wow. Hello. Stay safe in Madrid, Spain. And happy. Hello, everyone. I think that's also one thing that we take for granted because, you know, we're all so worried about staying indoors and not getting sick. But we tend to forget, napansin ko, we tend to forget to still stay happy and still stay positive. So, yun, parang sana people remember that there are so many activities, like what you taught me today and what you taught everybody today. That's very simple. It only took 1 hour of our lives and yet, you know, it made us feel good.
Mm-hmm.
So, yun.
Ang bawas
I
ang
hope- Exactly. Anxiety is real, guys. So, yan. Keep your mental health in check and follow us. Follow locally. They keep posting different kinds of activities, like live sessions of different kinds of activities, workouts, projects like this one. And ayan. I will try the Pilates class.
This week, maraming workout sessions na naka-ready, you know.
Yeah, I'm most excited about the one tomorrow because I'm very curious to see how you can do Pilates at home. Because as we know, Pilates uses like a reformer, merong machines. So I
Talaga?
want to see
Di,
what they're
parang
gonna use.
Pilates.
Meron siyang machine, merong parang reformer na you lay down and it's all, you use your core basically for, kung 1 hour yung session, the whole hour, naka-engage yung core mo. So I want to see what they're gonna do kung walang reformer sa bahay. I'm excited for that. Ayan. So guys, I hope you learned something today from the two of us, mostly from Soli. Nakita nyo naman yung ginawa ko pang bata.
Kung nag din kayo with us.
That's amazing. Sorry po, ito lang talaga yung nakayanan ko.
Cute.
Ayan. I hope you enjoyed today, and I will post this, and Soleil, you're gonna post your artwork later.
I will.
Okay, so we're gonna post our artwork, and again, follow us, follow locally. We will keep you guys updated and entertained this whole quarantine. Thank you for watching. We love
Bye.
you guys. Thank you locally. Bye bye.
Tag us.